これで京都さんが鴨なしてるんで、ですから。
When we came here, our intention was to really try to see what the relationship of food and food consumption, food production is to the city itself.
A city like Kyoto with its 1.5 million inhabitants, every day about 1 million or 1.5 million kilos of food needs to come into the city, needs to be processed, needs to be bought, needs to be prepared, needs to be consumed. So it's a huge infrastructural, logistical task and issue. That's why we picked up on it, because we think that by looking at food, it really uncovers some of the inner workings of the city. It really tells us something about the city, maybe that no other process or no other theme could uncover as interestingly. Material, and for us, this is almost the most important.
About it in 60 region with Korea and China.
We also chose 7 different food categories, let's say 5 to 7 different categories, and try to use those as filters to understand how the food is produced, travels through the city, how is it consumed.
生産者運命で、これが絶対名前を入れてます。
出ましたけども、20年先はどのように管理式の中でも問題になってまして。
Maybe also something that really unfolded to pick up on the yuba and the soya and how much they process, how much energy and resources go into this, but it's still just for an everyday food.
What for us was interesting was this tradition of the caterer's shop, service industry, that somehow service culture that is embedded in that thinking, and also the care that everybody takes on this issue of food, the personal relationship to the very item that one eats. Where do we see Nishiki market, the whole food wholesale market and so on in the next 10-15 years? And can architecture give some kind of response or reaction to that?
I think it's a very good beginning. Actually, we unfolded, I think for all of us, we have unfolded many different aspects.
Architecture has a certain beneficial role to ask is questions about the future. I think we are in a profession that likes to project a certain plan, that likes to project or foresee a certain future.
So I think we just started that, so it would be really great to go that far actually to make this argument.